To duplicate a label, go to Toolbar and choose Label Listings. Click on the Duplicate button. Click on Save. Open Label Listings again. You will see there are now 2 labels in this project, our original label design plus the newly duplicated copy. Open the duplicated label and make edits. Go to Print, choose All Labels to print both labels. Let's go back to Label Listings and make another duplicate of this label design. Open and edit the 3rd duplicated design with updated label address. Go to Print, select Single Labels to print this same label at selected label locations. To print all 3 different labels saved in this project, go to Print and choose All Labels.